Hello dear friends, in this video we are going to learn different birds. So let's start. This is a parrot. Parrot. This is a peacock. Peacock. This is a cock. Cock. This is a crow. Crow. This is a duck. Duck. This is an owl. Owl. This is an ostrich. Ostrich. This is a crane. Crane. This is a myna. Myna. This is a penguin. Penguin. This is a hen. Hen. This is a kingfisher. Kingfisher. This is an eagle. Eagle. This is a cuckoo. Cuckoo. This is a woodpecker. Woodpecker. This is a robin. Robin. This is a sparrow. Sparrow. For more such videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.